PicsArt. Now select this plus icon. Now select the backgrounds, fourth option. Now select the third option, white color here. First step, tap on tools, second option. Now you have to select the first option, crop. Now select the center option, portrait. You can see here. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on FX, third option. Now select the second option, simple. You can see here. Scroll the FX to the left. You can see here Lomo option, Lomo. Select these settings and decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0 and fade it around 30. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. And second step, go to add photo and select the 2022 PNG. Then this is the PNG. Zoom out and arrange it in the center here. You can see perfectly. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the model image. Then this is the model image. Scroll up. Now tap on cutout tool. You can see cutout. Now tap on brush option. Increase the hardness to 100 and decrease the size, and you have to draw inside the model image, okay, not outside. You have to draw inside the model, or you can use the photo room app if you want for easily. Now tap on it. Is how it look like after erasing background. Zoom out and arrange it in the center here. Perfect. Now tap on shadow. You can see shadow. Decrease the second option to around 30. Now tap on position and adjust like this 200 and keep this one around 110. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the further PNGs one by one. Tap on add photo. These are the two PNGs. First arrange this one here. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now arrange this scarf perfectly to the neck. It's perfect. Now tap on scarf and tap on shadow. Now tap on position and keep it 100 and 100. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to tap on brushes. Select the fourth one and scroll up and select this fog. Keep it 50 and decrease it to 40 and tap here. You can increase little opacity. Tap on here. Increase little size and opacity. Tap on here. Tap another one here. It is perfect. Now scroll up and select the stars here. Decrease the size. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now we have to save this image in PicsArt and jump into the Snapseed app. See you there. Open Snapseed app, tap on plus and add the photo. Perfect. Now tap on pencil. Scroll up, select the first option. You can see vignette. This is the first step. Perfect. Now tap on tick. And now again tap on pencil. And tap on HDR scape. And give little HDR around 10. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil. Tap on tune image. Little brightness. Little saturation. Little ambience. These little highlights. Now tap on it. Friends, finally our special 2022 photo editing tutorial is completed. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.